Hi, I'm Josh Evan Goldfarb.
And I'm Michael Edward Moirano. We're the principals of Evan Edward.
And welcome to our project in the East Village. So our clients are a super cool couple. They use this space as a pied-à-terre when they come to the city. One's an artist, one's a musician. So our job was to create a space for them that reflected their personalities and for them to just hang out and chill.
So let's take a closer look.
So this is the main space. It is a quintessential loft. Some of the details that we really wanted to play up were the original aspects, like the beautiful exposed brick and rafters.
Because we had this large loft space to work with, we had to figure out a way to segment the space. We started with this amazing rosewood dining table that we found from Andrianna Shamaris. We found these chairs in their existing condition, and they were absolutely perfect. The dark tone brought out the two tones in our dining table. From there, we selected our light fixture because it had this duality of both copper and brass, and we loved it.
So we're now sitting in the main living area, and I think it perfectly reflects what we do as designers. The colors are very bold, and then there's a lot of texture and detail. So this is a vintage sectional. I believe it's from the 80s. We did reupholster it.
And we balanced that out with another sofa that we used one of our favorite fabrics that sort of mixes all the deep colors, but also with a lighter blue that reflects the color that we chose for the beams. The organic shape of the coffee table was an ideal way to separate the two sofas, but allow for people to circulate and enjoy the space. We wanted our lighting story to reflect the history of a bird.
And so the fixture in the music room is kind of the early stages of the bird's life. And then of course we have our nest here in the living area. And then finally in the dining area, it's in flight.
We think design should tell a good story.
And I think we definitely achieved that in this space.
All of our designs are highly specific to our client's needs. And our client is a musician, and this is the perfect place to make him feel like a rock star.
What's more rock and roll than oversized furry chairs where you could just sit and kick it, or if you're jamming out with these beautiful guitars, or because everyone wants to have a large screen TV, it makes sense to just be able to put your feet up and watch a game. And then we didn't want to do a traditionally sized or shaped carpet, so we kind of did a more organic shape, kind of riffing on the organic coffee table in the living area, so that everything really feels consistent throughout this space.
The perspective from the music area is one of my favorite views of the space. You really start to see everything coming together.
So while we wanted to keep the space open and airy, we also had to create some kind of privacy for the bedroom. And we found this beautiful antique door in New Orleans. There's so much patina and history in this piece.
And without further ado, follow us into the primary. In the primary bedroom, we kept our color palette consistent with the rest of the loft. The purples and the blues almost become a neutral, giving the space a calming feel.
The headboard fabric is gorgeous. It's a velvet burnout, and it's blues, golds, creams, and that in relation to this gorgeous light fixture, to our beautiful drapery. And then there's something about the mismatched lamps that make it all just feel very found and collected and not like it was overly designed, which it wasn't. This project is all about celebrating the authenticity of a beautiful old school New York loft and a super cool creative couple.
We did this by carefully curating a rich color palette with a distinctive selection of furniture and lighting to create a new take on the ultimate New York City vibe.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us. We can't wait to see you next time.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.